Insurance Council will make cashless hospitalization available for all policyholders. My colleague Monal caught up with Tapan Singhel, who is the CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, and she began by asking him more about this new move. Let's dive into this conversation.
The endeavor that we had was, if we look at it from customer perspective, if he insures with X company, Y company, they would have a certain panel of hospitals, maybe 1,000, some 100. But collectively, the industry would have close to 40,000 hospitals in the panel. So why should a customer be limited to a certain number of hospitals? We said, why not as an industry come together and endeavor to reach 100% cashless, which currently is at 63%, no? Why can't, from a customer perspective, he or she has a choice of full range of hospitals, irrespective from where they've insured? I think I'm very proud about the industry that all leaders came together and they said, let's do this, no, from a customer perspective, with the guidance of regulator, and to see how do we pull it forward. And this is what we have come together to say, that as a customer, it doesn't matter whether your company has empaneled a hospital or not. If the hospital is empaneled anywhere, you just walk in to give your company notice that I'm going to have a surgery here, and the company will make an endeavor to get you cashless, no, irrespective of where you're going.
So also, could you help us understand what are the sort of timelines that the customer would have to inform prior, if at all, and what would be the case in case of elective surgeries, emergencies? How would these be addressed? I think these are questions that our viewers would quite...
So if it's elective surgery, which typically is about 83-85% of surgeries which happen in India, then you just have to, which means that you are aware of the surgery happening. So just give then your company 48 hours. I think within that, they will get you cashless. If it's an emergency, obviously you can't give them 48 hours and you have to just go into the hospital. But within admission and within 48 hours of your admission, the company would endeavor to give you cashless. I think that is what the timelines have been set up to begin with. But as we progress, it will get shorter and shorter.